when we look at this drawing, okay, this is I guess a simplification of the drawing that you have on your ecosystem slide in your iBook. Okay, that page uses the example of, I think it's a prairie dog or, some kind of ferret or something. But essentially it starts off with that lone organism, with that specific species. And when you have more of that same species, okay, so let's say, now we can't say that the red lines were owls because that doesn't work. But let's say the red line ends up being, turtles. Okay, a bunch of turtles. Turtles live on land and they live in the water, right? Now, we can have a population of turtles in a certain area, okay? We can have several turtles living together that are not related. Then within that area, we can have several other populations of different organisms. So in this case, if the red lines are turtles, who knows? The purple circles could be, crows, American crows, okay? And the little blue X's could be, grasshoppers. Okay, so we have these 3 different populations surviving in this one area that is providing food, water, and shelter for all of these organisms. Some of these organisms will be eaten by others. Okay, so in the case of the grasshopper is gonna eat the actual grass. The crow is going to probably try and eat the grasshoppers. And it may even try to eat the small turtles. Who knows? Okay, the turtles will most definitely eat the grasshoppers, or they're going to try to. And they're also going to try and live off some of the grass. So everybody is kind of taking stuff and giving stuff to the land, and they're able to interact with one another. So that's how we end up going from a species, which is one type of organism, to a population, which is many of that same species, to a community where we have several different populations coexisting, and we take that community and we implant it into a specific place, and we watch how these communities and populations and individual species interact with the land. That is an ecosystem. So we can see how all of these are related.